Hi, this is Maureen Head at the Michael Johnson Performance Center, and today we're going to be using the Power Vibe whole body vibration training using the Zen Pro 5900 with our hertz set at about 30 to 35 hertz for this particular exercise. Again, we've been talking about volleyball players with shoulder injuries, and a lot of times their shoulder injuries that occur either from overuse or from an acute injury occur because their posterior shoulder muscles, their deltoids, their mid-trap muscles and their serratus and rhomboid muscles are not developed properly. So this next exercise that I'm going to show you is addressing all of those posterior shoulder muscles. Danny, go ahead and step up on the platform. This exercise is just called a reverse fly with a mini band. So Danny's going to hold the mini band in his hand, and again his posture is going to be nice and tall, belly button is skinny, his low back is nice and flat. He's going to hold the band out in front of him. He's going to retract and depress his shoulder blades, and he's pulling out on the band and just trying to pretend like there's a grapefruit in between his shoulder blades, and he's trying to pin that grapefruit as tight as he can. Okay, so you can see the activation we have in all these posterior shoulder muscles that are responsible for decelerating the arm after a serve or a hit that a volleyball player does. So all those muscles are very important in preventing rotator cuff injuries. So again, this is called a reverse fly band pull.